Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite using your Android phone. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, and of course you need to pair your earbuds with the phone. Now, right here at the device list, if you pair it, you will see it. So click the settings icon near to it. And right here we have a name. Near to the name we have this pencil icon. On some phone, it's located at the right top. Some Android phones have a line with a name, not this pencil icon. And now we need to tap on it. So if you have this line, you tap at the line, we just will tap at this pencil icon. Right here we can write something good. We can remove also if you need something, but I wanna just add some text. So I wanna add this one. And after you finish, you need to click rename to save this new name. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!